look at me, happy as we can be.
Alexa, open HiMirror. How to get rid of my dark circles.
HiMirror selected 3 popular articles related to your question.
On the count of 3, yeah, take a selfie. I wanna take a selfie. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
The TrueLux light system simulates natural sunlight to show more color variation, more detail, with more accuracy. It's at the heart of every Simplehuman sensor mirror. Sunlight contains the full color spectrum, while most artificial lighting doesn't come close. With TrueLux, you can see yourself with perfect clarity. Now, the wide view sensor mirror can connect to your phone. Use our app to capture light settings from the world around you and recreate them in the mirror, so you can check your makeup in your favorite restaurant, in your office, or in bright, natural sunlight. The wide view sensor mirror from Simplehuman. See yourself in the best light.
Smartways Body Fat Scale goes beyond your typical scale, providing you with vital information to help you stay in the best shape of your life. It is the ultimate solution in weight loss and fitness that will keep you and your family at optimal health levels. This scale is fitness-inspired with a unique hourglass shape meant to motivate you to stay in shape. Step-on technology will trigger the scale and immediately provide you with the status of your body fat, body water, muscle mass, and bone mass, giving you a much clearer picture of your fitness levels. It utilizes BIA technology to provide all user information and details. This scale also features a large negative LCD display and can be programmed to recognize up to 8 users. We've designed this scale to last you for years, with a slim and sturdy body that's effortlessly sleek, adding to its contemporary look. It's time to transform your fitness journey and stay in tip-top shape with Smartways Body Fat Scale.
How to use baby mode with our smart scales. From making sure your baby is getting adequate nutrition when breastfeeding, to simply keeping tabs on weight gain, our line of advanced connected scales can help parents accurately and easily track their child's growth. Step on the scale alone and go through the complete weigh-in process. Within 5 minutes, step on the scale again, with the baby this time. The parent's weight is automatically zeroed out, and the scale will recognize the baby's profile to display the baby's weight. Measurements will be sent automatically via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to the HealthMate app, where the parent can follow the baby's weight trend and view ranges showing what is healthy for reference.
Discover your natural beauty with the new vanity mirror from iHome. This 7 by 9 inch flat panel vanity mirror features a distortion-free mirror with accent LED lighting with high and low settings, so you'll always primp, plump, pluck, and exfoliate in the best light. The ICV-BT2 is also Bluetooth enabled and features a convenient USB port, so you can charge your phone before your big night out. Who doesn't like to listen to music while they get ready? Stream or connect your smartphone to enjoy your favorite tunes directly from the base of the mirror. Running late or want to chat while you beautify? No problem. The mirror comes with a built-in speakerphone with digital echo-canceling technology, so you can talk hands-free. Plus, with voice control technology, you can ask Siri and Google Now to play your favorite playlist, update you on the weather and local news, get movie times, and answer your questions. Amplify your beauty day and night with the ICV-BT2 vanity mirror from